Mthokazi kaNdaba sekwenzakile selifikile ilanga lufikile usuku silapha namhlanje Empire Park leMthokazi Republic Party yabona ama youth lapha sinawo imbokodo zikhona lapha amajaha khona insizwa zikhona lapha ezi ready for umzabalazo sifuna size ukuthi namhlanje yini ababhekelele ukuthi bayoyizwa njengoba nje sizokuya ku meeting yethu sihlangana nabaholi beMthokazi Republic Party sifuna ukwazi ukuthi ama youth yini ebaphusha kangaka enza ukuthi baphakame bachiye konke abakwenzayo bathi bafuna ukuyozabalaza bafuna izwe labo nginokhumalo lapha Ndaba ezithi.
Yebo mfowethu.
Ninjani baba?
Siyaphila njani bhuti?
Ilanga la namhlanje Ndaba ezithi akusitshele yini ekwenziwa waphakama wathi namhlanje ngifuna ukuza la.
Uyabona namhlanje njengoba nje sekunesikhathi umongameli wagcina uaddressa kwelakhe addressa bethwakazi. Ngifuna ukuyozizwela ngokwami ngoba kuningi engisabhekelele ukuthi ngikuzwe kusuka kuye njengathi njengentsha ngoba kakhulu manje into esesifuna futhi esesibona ngathi isilekha kakhulu iaction ngoba konke sekulungile akusekho nje okusasele. So ngifuna ukuyomuza ngokwami namhlanje ukuthi uthini yena njengomongameli njengoba intsha ibukeka simi ngomumo all over nje especially njengalana eSA.
Right. So ngendlela usho ukuthi as a youth we are ready for anything.
Yeah, as a youth vele we are ready like manje asabuyele emuva. Njenge youth manje asabuyele emuva. Sesifuna ukuthi manje sidonse nje ngelinye izinga ngoba impumelelo yethu sesiyayibona manje nalabo ababeyibona ngathi into yethu yophelela lana manje sebeyabona ukuthi manje kuyasetshenzwa. Yiyo lento nje sesifuna kakhulu iaction.
Mthokazi kaNdaba liyazwela uvuka ibambe ukuthi bathini bathi sebe ready for anything. They are now ready to take what is rightfully theirs. Eke sizwenye insizwa lapha baba ninjani?
Siyaphila.
Ngubani baba?
Mina nguGolide uChuma omnyama ngebalo omhlophe enhliziyo iyouth yakwaMthakazi.
Awu uGolide madoda Golide akusitshele into ekwenziwe namhlanje waphakama wathi ufuna ukuza lapha yini?
Namhlanje sibone ngathi kuyingqophamlando usuku olukhulu lapho siyodibana khona lo mongameli wethu siyouth eMRP simazise ukuthi manje sesi ready for action since wathi unyaka ka2025 unyaka weaction so sesizimisele kuloko phezulu koncindezelo lonke sibhekane lalo sincindezelo abantu basesishoneni.
Lezwela Mthokazi kaNdaba iyouth ithi is ready for anything. They are saying that as this year was declared to be a year of action for the Mthokazi Republic Party, they are ready for that action. And as you can see, they've come out in their numbers. We are here at Empire Park. We are getting ready to go where we are going to have the meeting. And they are so excited about meeting their president and hearing from him what he has in store for them and for the revolution and for the nation of Njalo halibambe hotela mashona halibambe lingashoni halibambe njalo halibambe oh halibambe lingashoni halibambe njalo halibambe lingashoni.
Shona malanga
lezingane zabo sobabamba isho phesheya komunyathi sobabamba lezingane zabo sobabamba khona phesheya kofula sobabamba lezingane zabo sobabamba ibaba ulalo baba sobabamba lezingane zabo sobabamba ibaba ulalo baba sobabamba lezingane zabo sobabamba 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 lezingane zabo sobabamba ibaba ulalo baba sobabamba lezingane zabo sobabamba amaphosele mikhothini sobabamba lezingane zabo sobabamba amaphosele phalakhe sobabamba lezingane zabo sobabamba thina sobabamba sobabamba lezingane zabo sobabamba isho phesheya komunyathi sobabamba lezingane zabo sobabamba 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 sobabamba
Vuka Mthwakazi vuka abantu yithi Mthwakazi Khaxa lufikile namhlanje usuku 1 June esizohlangana khona nomongameli wethu asethulele mayelana le international lobbying siyababona nampa abantu lama youth athe gwaqa lana ku-Empire Park sesihamba sonke siyohlangana nomongameli ngisithi nabakude nabo sondelani izobona kuklemu eChurch yeSabatha sizobe silapho umongameli uzosethelela lapho mayelana le international lobbying vuka Mthwakazi vuka
Vuka Mthwakazi vuka abantu yithi namhlanje lusuku olukhulu ukuthi siyohlanganela lo mongameli wethu ezi-youth sifuna ukuzwa bekelele ukuthi ikusasa lethu kuyisasa eliqhakazile silindele indaba ezimnandi kakhulu upresident wethu vuka Mthwakazi vuka abantu yithi sithi phansi ngamashona phansi
yamantungwa evele ngesiphaca kwelasekoloni iqanda lengwenya elafukanyela iminyaka eli124 lathi ngokuchamisela kwazamazama umhlaba wonke isiziba abayengala bethi kade satsha kanti silele ebulembu imbali eqhakaze ebusika ezinye zikhulula impoko ingubo ekade yafunwa ngabethwakazi okweminyaka leminyaka besenkangaleni babengazi ukuthi inhlanhla izalwa ngokufa kwenye isilo sivele sebezidelile bethi bangumhlambi kazelisile kanti abazi basazoyokwaluswa intsholo ethenga ukuvela entathakusa embula amadoda isinene alahlekelwe ngamahleza akade bawahleza iminyakanyaka dlodlomo wakithi kwelikamzilikazi wena owawela usangwana nyamalala wavuduka kwesikasidawo kwelasekoloni izulu elidlule ezansi kwaba nomkhendekhendla abesizwe batshintshana izambuzi bethi ubukhosi bukamzilikazi bashabalala ngonyakana komagwegwe esesizweni inkosi inyamalele babengazi ukuthi ubukhosi bamandebele bungumafavuke njengedabane wena owali ukuthi umuzwa wobulawa phenduka idulisa kuchamela amazinyane uthola ivikela iMzansi Afrika ithe ngokubona umlilo ukhangula isizwe sabethokazi wafulathela ilizwe lenkuliso wabhekisa amabombo kwelikamzilikazi wazamazama ingcele baqhaqhazela ababusi bezwe banikela ingonyama ngemgaxo emazinyo yavuza igazi sakhuza inhloli isizwe abezizwe befuna ukulabula igazi lesilo uyindaba enkulu ekuphatheni inkatha kona mandebele wena ovukulukwele belibele imbuli makhasanze ezemba sengubo yobukhosi wavukela labegazi bedonselana ubukhosi okokugaxwa ngalamazinyo idonselana isikhupha bakhihliza isililo abakwabo baqinqa esikanando ozwide bahletela nyovane bashone esikatolo kubhekelele emthethwandaba kanyamande iyozihlephukele leyo nyama ngoba bakithi ubukhosi abubekwazi inkatolo inyatha emnyama yakithi emhlahlandlela ethe ngokuvela ngolunda waqeda amadolo kontaba kabakhonjwa izulu elimnyama kwasalithwele lasithilanga labonwa ngamabutho kuphela ngoba esenkaniseko wabulawayo zulu lathwala ngombimbitho zibuthene kwanina nkulu unyanga zonke ngowasezinaleni yavunya zinduna zonke kwelengabathi udobhadobha njengomlomo wempuphu odobhe umthokazi sebabalane ngaye umakhuluma kanye kube uqedile kwamashobana zambuka zadela izimpisi enkundleni wayisithi sathi imbukeno kandaba sideliseni bathakathi ayisahlehla kithi kuyinkosi nakulaba abangamemukeli babetha uyikubusa babetha uyikuba yinkosi kanti ababuzanga elangeni nawe kolona omncane unomlando omkhulu esizweni sakithi wasithubusele yakithi njengodingane namanje siyasizwa esililo phesheya kwelamangisi lakini zivangintini abethi basendile ngesizwe sikamashobana bengazi ukuthi uvuka inkanyama emakhandakhanda isizwe sikhuze ubayethe silakawulandelwa olandelwa izivuna labaqophi bomlando baphefumule kandaba wathi babethi umthokazi kagcoba inkosi sasingabaceli sasingabanceki sasibatshela bayethe wena wendlovu bayethe zilalele silo bayethe inkosi yohlanga uyingonyama
kunye ukuthi ukuthini kodwa mase ukhuluma umuntu nje ayiblind
ngeze eqedwe isibisa
bebla kwa bana mase ukuthi sizobela abantu kwenza abantu ukuthi mase begcwale because andona ukuthi
legal rite ke rata o le hamoela ka ofela ba eta pele di branches ka ofela e mongwe le mongwe a ikutlwe a hamogetse ka re a ntlwena unolebeleka zina langu Ndimisizimesele wakamoyo ngiyindodana kaSibongani uSibongani kaNdaba uNdaba kaMjulu uMjulu kaMpanga uMpanga zala uNoyela uNoyela kaManga Ngilamukela lonke bakwethu ma MRP bathwakazi nina abakamambo nomzilikazi nina abakamakhokolonda olobhekulo wamawaba ngale mini namhlanje ngosuku lokuqala ngqa enyangeni entsha sengikhohlwe ngesindebele sengakopho kwabanye ngithanda kulamukela kakhulu bakwethu ngalo umzuzu uma ngabe ke abaphethe iprogram nibone iprogram kutshekile kancane kodwa kutshekanga ngomoyo nami ngithanda ukuthi ngamukele kakhulukazi esandleni sami sokhohlo naba abaholi bomdabu abayibambe ngasebheshweni nomkhonto ngiphinde ngiqalaze ngapha esinxeleni umphathi nangu sekhona owuyena umdidiyeli waleli bandla sila kwelengabade ngithi mina samponya 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 1 ngubheka inhlalo Ndlovu ngizocela ke ngalomzuzu bakithi nasi isikhathi sesithe ukugijigijima uhlelo luzoqala njengamanje kuzothi mase kufika ke abanezisindo ezidlula lezi ezame nginazo mina ngizobe sengideda umbhobho ngiuqhube kubo umsebenzi uqhubeke ngivumelene kodwa ngalesi sikhathi ngithi mina ngisacela nje ingoma yomzabalazo eyodwa emveni kwayo sizothi sisalinde i-delegation kamongameli sibe siqhubeka ngezikhulumi ezikhona ohlelweni lethu okwanamhlanje ukwenzela ukuthi singashiywa kakhulu isikhathi inhlelo isuke zibe ningi yebo usuku belibekiwe kodwa ke inhlelo ihamba ibe ningi ukuthi nje ngomzuzu ogcina ukhala ucingo awukwazi ukuzitshwa lelo cingo ngoba vele singabe international lobby sekumele ke lelo cingo luthathwe udluliswe okuqukethwe lelo cingo bese ke okuhlelelwe usuku kuzoqhubeka ke nako ngendlela yakhona ngichaza ukuthi mina ke njengoba i-delegation singakayiboni la siku international lobbying nje kukhona sokusuke kwavela ekseni namhlanje na kwasekuthiwa attendweke kungaze kuvaleleke ngaphandle lokho elamahala alikho umzuzu wamahala awukho i-revolution isezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu manje ongangukuthi sekufuneka ukuthi kuyavuma ngabe siba nama UPS wama-battery wamafoni ngoba ingcingo seyikhala u24/7 ngizothi uComrade Celebrity asidonse engomeni yomzabalazo eyodwa sizobeke sesiqala ke uhlelo emveni kwalapho okugcina nje Mthwakazi National Anthem sizoyithinta i-delegation kamongameli isikhona la phakathi endlini singakhohlwa ke lokho bathwakazi abahle vuka Mthwakazi vuka vuka Mthwakazi vuka muka Mthwakazi muka ibantu ndiswe Comrade Celebrate
Ngebhazuka sobalandela ngebhazuka Vume ma comrade ngebhazuka ungitshwa mashona Anifuma nginiswa ungitshwa mashona Bulawayo 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 Ungiswa mashoni Ungiswa mashoni Boy page praise Kuma hai Boy page praise Boy page praise Kuma Oh my God munyati Oye tolo tu, fuma. Oye tolo tu, ay makao, kabisa. Oye tolo tu, ukuna lelubani. Onye pazuga Iso zontayo abafe khona sophila kamnandi khona sophila kamnandi oh baba bula lokhulu bethu oh baba bula lo baba bethu oh baba thisele zidlini bona kuba oh khona sophila kamnandi akubali bo isibhayele oh khona sophila kamnandi oh ngithama shona yazizotha thina oh ngithabe thabi basizotha thina oh khona sophila kamnandi oh ngoba babula lo baba bethu oh baba phosela nikotini baba oh ngoba babula lo mama bethu oh baba thisele zidlini bona oh khona sophila kamnandi oh khona sophila kamnandi oh khona sophila kamnandi
uzum
oh ngithumna ngakuya sizotha thina oh ngithusiwe kuya sizotha thina oh ngithusiwe kuya sithelela thina oh ngithuse senze umhlobo wethu yena oh ngithumna ngakuya sithelela thina oh ngithuse senze umhlobo wethu yena wasifika ngekhukhula wona senze umhlobo wethu iso oh ngithusiwe kuya sithelela thina oh ngithuse senze umhlana wethu thina oh khona sophila kamnandi oh khona sophila kamnandi
vuka mthokozvuka sisalungisa makwethu ukuhlala phansi uDJ usacela ukutesta isound yakhe la kancane ngengoma nje emfishazana abe seqondisa ke ngendlela yakho
Nyamas baba, nyamas baba, nyamas baba.
Thomas Republic Party, since it transacted from being a political party to a revolutionary movement, ikhula okwezimanga. Uvutha uvamise ukuthi ovuka bayibambe. Ngibona baphume ngenkani ke namhlanje. Baphume ngenkani ngempela. Umampo uvamise ukuthi imbokodo ezicholayo ngibona iphume ngenkani impela namhlanje imbokodo ezicholayo iphume ngenkani indlu isincane angeke phela ngiwathinte amabutho ngoba vele awukho umbuthano amabutho engekho awukho umbuthano amabutho engekho indlu isincane kube kuthabe kusiya ngokuya ngabe sicele enye yezinkundla zokudlalela ibhola sawuthi igwaqa kuyo asazi ke sokwenze njani abasase ngaphandle kodwa bethamele inkulumo yanamhlanje siyafuneka isizwe ngenkani besongile abasongayo antshawa kala uwathamba kubangu abayi njengo bataka ezo hayi khona ngizaqhubeka kunendaba ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyazwakala emuva ngitsho vuka Mthokazi vuka vuka Mthokazi vuka ukukhumbula bona slogan kabantu bamkwethu vanu ndisi phakathi shete ndokukwe okay toboka bengisathi mina abangaphandle asazi sokwenze njani ngabo indlu yethu besiyibona inkulu noma siyazi inkulu namhlanje ithi incane ifakazelwa yinani lasebengenile singakapheleli singumthwakazi ngithanda ukuthi ngalomzuzu njengoba ngishilo ngathi hayi uma ngabe nibuka iprogram ithe ukutsheka kancane kodwa ayitshekanga ngoba nami ngumoyo ngaphinde ngathi uma sekufike abanezisindo engapheli kwezami ngizothi khwimilili ngivulile hole bathatheke abangapheli kwami umsebenzi uqhubeke ngalomzuzu ke ngizocela ukwethula ucomrade uvelile uvikudozi umatinyela moyo
Vuka Mthokazi vuka. Ayizwakale kahle lento le. Vuka Mthokazi vuka. Ngizacela kancane ivoice yakho ngathi ayikho kahle. Ngokutravela. Sifike kuseni. Kodwa ngizazama ngoba kulomazwakalisa lapha ukuthi kuzwakale emuva ngale. Yes, salute my comrades. Omi phambi lapha nguGeneral uVD Moyo. uSecretary General weMthokazi Republic Party. Siphakathi kwe-revolution yethu. Ngicabanga ukuthi wethulile laphana ke umholi wami lapha ke okhangele ze diaspora ucomrade uPhakimpi Moyo wathi yena ke sesiguqukile sisuka kupolitiki sesiku revolution akitho phela asekho kuyipolitiki sesingaphi ku revolution irevolution uhambo lwayo ngalukho lula njalo uhambo lwayo lunzima lufuna ke amasosha azimisele ukuthi ke ayangena emzabalazweni aye kuma trenches yikho lapho kutholakala khona irevolution bengizacela nje kancane ukuthi ke hayi umshengu labana kangisusela ingoma yamabutho elodwa nje hayi ufudumeza lendlu kancane babumshengu eyamabutho yesike sizwe impela ukuthi hayi umthokazi sefikile la hayi babumshengu woza ngapha
Mthakazi kuthiwa ungafika eRoma eRoma yenza lokwenziwa eRoma ungafika kweMRP uyenzani okwenziwa eMRP ingoma engiyithanda kakhulu engiyazi kama eMRP engihamba nawo wonke lawo ayicula nazi Ngalivume ngeke kuyivume lixoxa lonke la uPresident mase khulume nathi sonke singapha nandi ixoxa so ngiyafuna uhamba ngeze speech sika president so ngicela ndivume zingu2 kwaba sendisa ukuthi iculile wala dawuthi iculeke yaculwa ngocomrade lana ethi Ngicule comrade. Ngicule uzayivuma. Vuka Mthwakazi vuka. Vuka Mthwakazi vuka. Yazi ngiyalihawukela manje ngibona kanti ngibona lomhlahla endlini. Ngibona lisegadade, ngibona lisephuleni. Yazi ngibona so isizwe sakithi asiphelelanga imali ngekholi. Ngiyacela ukuthi asibambaneni njalo emagcekeni egadade lapho kwafe
babobe emagcekeni egadade lapho kwafe omkhulu bethu wakalinganu egadade lapho kwape omkhulube emagcekeni egadade lapho kwape obababe emigodini ebhalakwe lapho kwapo omkhulube emigodini egadade lapho kwape omkhulube wakalinganu egadade lapho kwape omkhulube vuka
Wonke abazonda umthwakazi abafe onasophila kamnandi abafe wonke abazonda thina abafe onasophila kamnandi abafe onasophila mutepu abafe onasophila kamnandi abafe Konasophila kamnandi abafe Konasophila kamnandi abafe Konasophila kamnandi abafe Konasophila kamnandi abafe Wokabazonda ubukhosi abafe Konasophila kamnandi abafe Wokabazonda inkosi abafe Konasophila kamnandi abafe Konasophila kamnandi thina abafe sisane sodwa hayi khona sophila kamnandi thina khona sophila kamnandi vuka Mthokazi vuka vuka Mthokazi vuka asibonge
hayi simshayeleni izandla umshayeli siyabonga ubukhosi hayi siyabonga ubukhosi sisemzabalazweni bekucela wena mfowethu uze ngapha ngaphambili lapha sibuye sonke sivele ekhaya siphethe ukhomiza wamayouth lapha Honesty Moyo.
Abu tifahla kancane.
Sanibonani. Yebo. Ninjani? Siyaphila. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ngibe phambi kwenu ngosuku namhlanje. Okulisuku engifisile ukuthi namhlanje ngizozwa kumbe ngizobona abakithi abakuleli lizwe. So ke sisuke eBulawayo. Angazi ngayibiza kanjani.
KoBulawayo.
Right. KoBulawayo angithi. Ngoba ngeke ngithe eZimbabwe. Ngoba ngisuka khona. Ngisuka kuthiwa iMthwakazi Republic. KwaMthwakazi lapho engisuka khona. Igama ngu-Honest Sibongo sakomoyo. Ngujaha osuka eLupane lapho engizalelwe khona. Ikakhulu kwabatsha engiyazi ukuthi kulolu hambo okuthiwa i-revolution yinga lesidinga ngithi ezaqothula. So kufanele ukuthi bonke bebekwazi ukuthi akusadlalwa. Isikhathi esesikuso sokungenzeka ukuthi abanye bahlehlele emuva kanti amagwala khona. Abanye bacasha abanye baziphike bethi thina kasiwa aMandebele. Kodwa bonke abakaMthwakazi ngilethemba lokuthi kathesi isikhathi sokuthi ivele indoda kufike makufiwe ngoba ngikuya ngokucela
ukubiza umuntu.
Yes.
Uthapha sondela ngapha ngapha.
Sondela ukukhuluma kakhulu uthaka sondela.
Sondela tha.
Kunendaba abantu babehlala bebuza ukuthi kade ziyodibana nina ngithi. Yebo abanye baza baphela uthando baphelele endleleni belokhu bethi asifike isikhathi manje sifikile esokuthi idibane kubonakala inkunzi angithi. So ezingathenwanga ziyobhonga manje zigiqike esifani sabubaba. So ngiyabonga kakhulu kwabasha asiphakameni siqine sazile ukuthi amandla sophethe. Vuka Mthokazi vuka. 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 Abantu yithi Mthokazi khatha.
Right. So abami lapha phambi kwami ngabantu abatsha. Right? Sabanika lesi sikhathi ukuthi ke bake bakhulume lathi akazi ukuthi liyawuzwisa yini umzabalazo madoda. Liyawuzwisisa. Liyakwazi ukuthi lenzani. Noma kalazi ukuthi lenzani. Phela linye izinto engacaciyo lizalimazisa isizwe. So sifuna ukuthi likhulume into ezwakalayo. Asimshayeleni izandla. Uthandi yakhe uyaphethe intsha South Africa. Over to you, sir.
Vuka Mthokazi vuka. Vuka Mthokazi vuka. Abantu yithi abantu. Mthokazi khatha.
Siyabonga kakhulu iplatform sibonge uCooperative VD sibingelele leadership echarter leadership yenational sibingelele wonke umuntu othe wabona elapha Women's League asibonge nama youth umsebenzi umuhle kakhulu eniwenzayo ningakhathali bangithumile lana ukuthi ngizo presenta ispeech sibhalwe ngama youth as a whole and bathe bona ngoba ama languages akithi wonke bawabonile esabalala ku social media. Namhlanje thina sokhuluma ngeEnglish. Angithi zama youth. Sifuna ukurepresenta iEnglish representation. Ulokhuzane ucomrade ufanele uthe by minority but asivumelani khona laphana, which is a debate for another day. Okay, ngiqale from the top. Ngiyangizwe leadership yethu ithi sesiku revolution. Basibuza futhi ukuthi siya understand yini revolution. Thina say I believe ukuthi kudala siku revolution singama youth. And sesibuka kwelinye izinga lokuthi ilizwe after liberation silithatha kanjani, sili improve kanjani. Yabo. So nansi ispeech engisiphiwe ngama youth in English form. Mthwakazi Republic Youth is already started to see the country that Mthwakazi Republic will be. There is importance of youth taking active role addressing challenges and shaping the future that they are looking for. And there is need for youth as a collective to achieve those goals. I'm happy that now there is unity. We're fostering unity in Mthwakazi Republic Party. Siyababona Mthwakazi protest movement, siyababona ababuya ngasebukhosini, of which this is the unity that we are looking for. Comrade, abaningi benu la youth lokuzana izipra had already government in exile. Izipra had already government in exile, and as Mthwakazi youth, as the Mthwakazi Republic youth, as a nation and world should start thinking along those lines that we want to see also start preparing for government in government in exile. We should start implementing those measures that we saw that the ZIPRA cadres have been using. There is national liberation and progress so that the people that we liberated don't revolt when there is little or no progress after liberation. Our direction suggests that we focus on liberation, yes, uplifting the nation, yes, addressing social, economical, and political challenges, and exploring themes of national beauty and identity, and the role of the youth in shaping the country going forward suggests that we should start implementing whatever the youth of that generation was addressing. In essence, city youth aizazi ukuthi bangobani and participate with politics yangakithi, abazi kuma meetings and babe nama extra skills for ukuthi mhla sithatha ilizwe participate in that communication, in that economy yangakithi. Comrade Shane wechata uyakhuluma ukuthi use youth endala yini, and thina sine youth endala kuyilokhuzana kwi-charter yethu siphinde sibe nama 2000, and the ama 2000 lawa they envision a very different nation going forward, and we should all of us embrace that vision which they see. The youth of today envision a nation where our people are truly free from cycles of oppression, stereotypes, fear of history repeating itself. Genocide should never be a thing that happens again, perpetuated by us or by us on one of our own or otherwise. A nation where individuals live their lives without constraint, embracing their uniqueness, pursuing passion, and strive for a society that values equality, justice, human rights, where every citizen can thrive and reach their full potential. At the heart of our vision, we see a fully functional city starting with Bulawayo, where infrastructure is well planned and efficiently managed. We imagine roads that are safe, well maintained, fully functional, railways that enhance connectivity and facilitate trade, public facilities that are accessible to modern commercial centers and more amusement parks that boost economic activity, provide convenience to our citizens while keeping our youth fully engaged and off substance abuse. These physical foundations will support a vibrant community where people can live, work, enjoy their lives. We envision a nation that is technologically advanced, leveraging cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and green technology to drive innovation, transform society. Our nation will prioritize research, development, investing in STEM education, and fostering a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship. Education is another pillar of our vision. We believe in providing free education that empowers our children to learn, grow in an environment ezohlonipha izindimi zonke zakithi namasiko ethu, and foster a love for learning and enhancing our ability and robust to succeed. A robust and compassionate healthcare system is also crucial in our vision. We want a system whereby everyone has access to equal medical care regardless of socio-economic status. Our healthcare facilities will be equipped with latest technology, staffed by skilled professionals, a nation where there is little or to none maternal-related mortality, ensuring that every mother and child receive the care they deserve. Free healthcare access to children and elderly and pregnant women. We also envision a nation that promotes sports and other talents, recognizing that not every individual is gifted academically, but some have talents that we want to nurture. Furthermore, we envision a society that is free from scourges of drug abuse, child marriages, and labor. In essence, our vision is of a nation that is just equitable and prosperous, a nation where freedom is not just a concept but a lived reality for all citizens. Also, access to safe drinking water, proper sanitation, and safe hygienic functional emergency services. We have human rights issues, compromised education system, distorted history in government sectors where it puts us at a disadvantage from private sector. Tribalism also plays a huge role, part of marginalizing us and pushing us out of economic participation. We believe that these are low-hanging fruits that as youth can address with ease. We still have Mthokazi people that are still ignorant to our movement, relying mostly on national and propaganda, and end up losing their livelihoods. Unity and support among youth is a priority at this time. Omama nabo baba mabebiza bayeza kuma meeting, but intsha asiyiboni thina as ama youth, and abantwana babo bayingxenye leyo ntsha, and asibaboni. Azibuye manje ingane kusasenzima, zingabuyi kuphela mase kuvunwa. Abazali kufanele beze namadodana namadodakazi abo esesemancane ukuze bajwayele nemibono ye-MRP. Ilunga le-MRP linye ngalinye kumele lithathe inyathelo lokucacisa isisekelo sombuso se-MRP ngendlela elula langenembala. Nxa sifundisa siyasifundisa njalo sifundise suku zonke ukuthi sibe sharp mentally, simema bonke abantu bakomthokazi ukuthi bakhuthale njalo bangalokothi banikeze i-self esteem ithuba noma nxa kunzima. Ukuze inhlangano ikhule njalo iqine, asivumeleni ingqondo ukuthi ivuleke ukuze umsebenzi sazi ukuthi umsebenzi umningi wo-MRP sidinga ukuthi siubambiswane ungathwala ngabantu abancane or ababili noma abathathu, and lento idala kube izinto zonke zibe centralized, kungabi lula ukuthi umsebenzi uhambe. Another thing, sicela ukusebenza kakhulu ne-national leadership okuyibona abalapha phambi kwami. Sicela i-communication ibe lula ukusebenza, manje ukuthi kumele ukuhlangane ku-ground ne-SA bonke kube lula ukuhlangana. Now there's people called amabhambas that are killing our people in Bulawayo. We see no action from youth ekomthwakazi and us here, which we need to address very quickly. To my team ekomthwakazi youth, sithe siqala unyaka, we raised some important issues, but we haven't implemented half of those issues. And inhlangano and support from inhlangano is very minimum, and we wish that can be rectified. Ucomrade uVuta uhlezi esibiza ngovuka abayibambe, ingakho sithi namhlanje intsha nabantu bakithi must boycott all Shona political parties and their rallies. All Mthwakazi people should teach one another ukuthi we disassociate ourselves from political gatherings that have anything to do with Shona supremacy. If it means ungavoti ngomthwakazi, so be it. As youth, the fundamental basics of a revolutionary text that we defend, protect our leaders. In so doing, we safeguard the movement from counter-revolutionaries. We will not allow lazy people and shortcut takers to hijack the struggle that we have put so much. The youth should help the presidency when they are busy with international lobbying. We should be dominant with social media and the ground. Let's make that our playing ground. The youth are excited and watching with anticipation the international lobbying that the president and his team are doing, and we are fully behind the president and his team. Kodwa sicela ukunitshela lokho ukuthi makuthatha kancane president and your team, thina sizozibambela and ethu indlela izohela kulo ozeleyo. Amandla.
Siyabonga bathandekayo. Sekhulumile umfowethu akukhulumile lami sengikhulumile ngithi. Kodwa ngizathanda ukukhuluma amazwi amathathu kuphela ngichiyele umphathi wami ithuba. Amadoda esigijima ngale ku ground okuthiwa ngomkhululitshela ngithi liyamazi. Ulwazi khanye liyamazi. Yena abanye ngeke ngibaqambe konke kodwa ke babingelele kakhulu bathi ngilazisa ukuthi ku ground ngale ziyakhala. Zikhala ngamandla, sifuna amandla futhi kini ukuthi lisisi singathi sesikhasa khona ngithi lisisize liselekelele ukwenzela ukuthi kube lula ngoba sigijima ilizwe lakithi lonke amakhaya wonke ukuthi sihambe siqoqa kumbe sithatha abantu labadala bonke nje